What type of information is displayed when you are using the data protection view in Veeam 1 Monitor? Let's see here. Monitor and alert on the virtual infrastructure presented from the business perspective. I think that would be business view. Discovers the virtual infrastructure and provides complete visibility of its health status and performance. Maybe monitor performance of backup infrastructure components and plan capacity of backup infrastructure resources. This makes sense since we're in this data protection view. Monitoring capabilities for multi-tenant clouds provisioned with VMware Cloud Director. No, I don't think so. But why don't we just go and take a look? So it's a Veeam 1 user guide data protection view. Let's see here. Let's take this one here. See if we can find the screenshots. No. Okay, what does it say then? No, that's not what we want. Let's see here. We get some. So here we see the different views: infrastructure view, business view. We're looking for this data protection view here. So let's close out down here correctly. Okay, let's see. Here we're in something. Data protection view. And here we can see backup infrastructure, the backup server, repositories, backup proxies, cloud gateways. So if we go back again, monitor performance of backup infrastructure components and plan capacity. So here we've selected repository. We can see something about capacity planning. So I would say this seems to be clearly the correct answer here.